menu?
So we got ground beef for the tacos, and this is shredded jerk chicken.
Okay.
We got some pico de gallo. We got some salsa, some pineapple salsa as well, and some chips as you guys wait for the food to be done.
And what we're doing today, we're having a vision board party. Let's make it legendary. Yes.
So over here we have a taco bar. So I'll start off with this side. We have some guac. We have some limes over here. Pico de gallo. We have some salsa. We have some pineapple salsa over here. Love me some pineapple salsa. Some cheese. And over here we have the taco stuff. So taco shells, some chips, some ground beef, some shredded jerk chicken, and some cilantro if that's what you want. And it's time for us to start. So thank you ladies for coming to this vision board party. I feel like we're always stronger together. It is 2023 and I want to make sure that it is a legendary year. So I feel like it's amazing for us to break bread together and also like vision board, also to like goal set together. All right, so I'm excited for today's vision board party, and let's get it started.
Yay!
To the beginnings. Yay!
1,000.
Cheers!
Cheers to the new year! Hey y'all, so I'm here with Jessie.
Hey y'all.
We are having a vision board party, right? So there's always strength in community. So instead of doing this by ourselves, why not do it together?
Yeah.
Right? So we ate. And now it's time to do our vision board.
We ate some great tacos, okay?
Yes. So how is your vision board going, Jessie?
It's coming along, but right now I got the layout, okay? The vision board for the vision, I got the class. I'm looking up my pictures on Pinterest and Tumblr right now, and I'm gonna put everything together and it's gonna come along.
And period. Okay. Mine, I decided to keep it simple. The reason why is because I know I'm going to make more than one. I always make more than one vision board every year. I feel like that kind of takes off the pressure of having everything. And sometimes your goals change. So mine looks a little simple. Let me show it to you. So mine is pretty simple. Make 2023 legendary. I have my Bible verses here. I have my quotes here. If you can see it, you can have it. Your mind will always believe what you tell it. Feed it faith, truth, and love. So I have my 4 categories, and I can always choose to add things on, but I just wanted to keep it simple. Just thinking about last year's vision board, like I had many different things, and I kind of overdid certain things. So I'm just starting off simple and seeing where I want to go from there.
So I'm still working on mine. It's still coming together. I have, my fitness goals. I have my relationship goals.
Get it right, get it tight.
Okay,
Put it
finally
on.
in first class, period. My Benz, and I am going to get my license this year.
Yes.
And yes, the Proverbs 31.
Okay.
Woman, thank you.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, still loading, but
All right,
that's it.
hit it.
Hi, I'm still working on mine. This is like the first year I've really sat down, committed, and been determined to figure mine out. I'm currently in the never-ending black hole of Pinterest. Thank you, Jessica, for hosting Vision Party, because I don't know that I would have done it without something on the books. But yeah, so I'm actually having a really good
Time on Pinterest. Yes, you are.
Yeah, and just visualizing my year for the year.
2023 is gonna be legendary. Yeah.
A couple tips for your vision board. So it can be very intimidating to do a vision board. So I highly suggest that you do a couple things. First things first, look at other examples. So there's so many examples on YouTube, on Pinterest, there's on Instagram. So look at different ones to see how you might want to look at yours. And there's also YouTube tutorials as well that show you how people decided to lay theirs out and like the rationale behind it. So if you're someone who gets overwhelmed or isn't sure where to start, highly suggest that. The second thing is I definitely suggest going on Canva. There are many free templates that you can use to, move your vision board. And I would say like the third thing is to chunk your work time. So you can probably start off with writing things down. Maybe what are some goals that you want to have on your vision board? And the second thing can be like looking at pictures that you want to have on your vision board. And like the third part can be actually putting those things on your vision board. So it's okay to also chunk it out as well if it can get too overwhelming. But those are some tips and I hope they help you out. Hey y'all, so this is a final look of my vision board. I'm gonna just walk you through the different parts. So if you can see it, you can have it is one of the slogans I want to go by. Make 2023 legendary. These are some Bible verses that I really want to guide this journey. If you know, you know. So I have different parts. I have self-care. I have faith. So these are some pictures I got. I was able to find some more on Pinterest. My different relationships, so romantic relationships, family relationships, you know, so goals for that. As an entrepreneur, I have so many ideas, so I'm looking for that first check. I'm looking for an LLC. I'm looking for all those things. And so again, if you can see it, you can have it. So this is my vision board, and I'm super excited. I'm going to, you know, print it so I can have it on my wall, and I also have it as my screensaver. So I'm really excited.